Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making scalloped potatoes or potato gratin. Let's do it. Peel some potatoes. You can use Yukon gold potatoes, but I'm using russet because that's what I have. And after I peel them, I just toss them in some water. I'm thinking I'm going to use 4 potatoes, 3 pounds or 4 pounds. Yeah, that's fine. And you can always add more if you need to. Slice an onion as thin as you can. Chop about 3 cloves of garlic. Just grating some cheese. You can use any cheese you have. I have some nice Swiss here. Use that. And some nice Cheshire. We use that too. So we're gonna melt some butter. See if it all melts. Yeah, toss our onions in. Saute the onions up until they become translucent, about 4 or 5 minutes. Some pepper, salt. So the onions nicely translucent, so add some garlic, a few cloves, or 1,000. Just saute that for another minute or so. So we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour. Kind of make sure everything's all coated. Yeah, just cook it for like about a minute or so. Slowly pour in the stock. Whisk it all in. All right. The scalloped potato sauce. Okay. A cup of chicken stock, 1.5 cups of milk, fresh cracked pepper. Yeah, about a teaspoon of thyme. Just kind of cook it for a while till it starts to become thick. The sauce will slowly start to thicken. You don't want it to boil though, but you want it to slowly thicken up. Yes, and you preheat your oven at 400. Set that aside. Slicing some potatoes. Really handy to have a mandolin, but you gotta be careful with this thing. The guard when you get to the end. Watch it like so. Okay, so we're gonna grease a pan up here. Yeah, just grease up the pan there. Better to pat your potatoes dry. Layer them up like so. Layer, layer, layer. Our little sauce we made, so we're just gonna toss it all over here. Cheese. Yeah, if you have cheddar and you have different types of cheese, feel free to use cheese you want. Parmesan cheese on there too. Ready for another layer of potatoes. Good layer of cheese. Preheat oven at 400 in 25 to 30 minutes and it's all gooey and yummy on top. Then scalloped potatoes done. Scalloped potatoes. I just pulled the scalloped potatoes out. Lovely color on top. Scalloped potatoes.